Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer eSIM from one iPhone to another. Firstly, on your new iPhone, open Settings, Mobile Service or Cellular, then tap Add eSIM. The phone will search for eSIMs linked to your Apple ID. A list of eligible phone numbers will appear. If a number shows transfer not supported, it's likely tied to a physical SIM. Just select the number you want to transfer, then tap Transfer Number. Unlock your old phone, a confirmation will appear, just tap Transfer SIM. Wait for the eSIM transfer to start. You may be asked to enter a 6-digit verification code shown on your old phone. Enter the code on your new iPhone to continue. Then complete the authentication using Mobile ID, Smart ID or a banking app. And once done, you'll see a message confirming the transfer was successful. Set a PIN code for the new eSIM for extra security. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.